Transfer ka na dito. Transfer. Sige.
31.
31.
24.
24.
27. 30.
Okay, isa pa na mabilis. I want a fast ate. 3.
3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Next, 4.
4, 8, 12, 15.
16.
4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
20.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 28.
24.
Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
24 plus 4.
24, 26, 27, 28.
Oh, 28. After 28.
29,
Oh, 32.
40.
36 pa.
36,
40. May isa pa.
4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
20.
2,
4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24,
28.
20, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Isa pa.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
6.
6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 20,
24.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36,
Plus 6. 36 plus 6. How much?
what?
36 plus 6.
32,
42.
ay, 42, 42, 56,
48.
6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 48, 15,
48 plus 6. How much?
6, 12, 18, 21,
24.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30,
30. 30.
36,
Hmm?
42,
Hmm?
42, 48, ay,
Ano?
48, 54, 60,
Isa pa.
6, 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 40, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 42, 48, 56,
54.
54, 60.
Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Very good ha. Lima mo rin siya ha. 7.
7, 18,
14.
ay 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Very good. Dapat that's how you memorize ating. Di ba? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Di ba? Teacher is ating kapag ganun kabilis. Oh, 8.
Ano?
Turn. 86420. Go.
8, 16, 8, 16, 34, 8. 8, 16, 34, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3. 8, 16, 34, 34, 32, 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 40, 48, 56, 60, 64, 72, 8,
Isa pa.
8, 16, 21, ay, 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 48, 46,
56.
56, 56, 63, ay, 64, 72, 60, 80.
Isa pa.
8, 16, 34, 32, 32, 40, 48, 48, 56, 60, 64, 72, 80.
Isa pa.
8, 16, 21, 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80.
Very good. Sige, sa 9. What's the pattern of 9? The number in here goes bigger at or increase. The number at this side decrease. Go, 9.
9, 18, 27, 9, 18, 27, 36, 40, 45, 54, 63, 7, 72, 81, 90.
Direct sa pa.
9, 18, 37, 36, 45, 54, 54, 63, 63, 72, 81, 90.
Very good. Sa 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Sige, what is our lesson gani kahapon ate? What is our lesson?
Like
Prop? What are the two types of fraction?
Proper and improper.
What's the difference between the proper and the improper?
The proper is lesser in the up and bigger in the down. And the improper is bigger in the up, lower in the down.
Very good. So this one, I will remove the pencil na. Use this paper, ate. That one. Sige. Try to do now this one, ate. This one. Oh, di ba what did I told you, Gani? If the number on top and the number at the bottom is the same,
Is equal 1.
1, we forgot. Okay, this one, isa pa. 7 all over 9. Tapos, what's the answer?
Ay,
Hey, lose. The first thing that you have to look saan ganit ka titingin ate, you have to look muna if the denominator is the same. If it is the same, you have to copy it lang. Aha, you go. Next. I don't want you to write that 9 ha. Gusto ko yung 9 kay papatiling here lang. It looks like G. Ha?
9.
I don't like that one dahil meron siyang tail. I don't like this one. This one, straight lang. You copy it. That one. Next. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay. 3 all over 9 ate. Can you simplify it? Hindi. Sure?
Yeah.
By what number?
3.
Very good. Divide. 3 divided by 3.
Is 1.
Very good. 9 divided by 3.
3, 6, 9, 3.
Very good. Next. Okay. Saan kaya ang first na i-check? Sige, put lang. Look for the denominator. If it is the same. If it is the same, you copy. Very good.
6, 7.
8 and 12. Can we reduce it in there?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
By what number?
2. 2,
Hmm.
4, 6, 8, 4.
Very good. Next.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 6.
4 and 6. Can we reduce it in there?
Yeah.
By what number?
2. 2, 4, 6. Ay, 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 6, 6, 2.
Very good. 20. Can we reduce it in there?
No.
No na. Okay, so ibig sabihin, if hindi ka siya ma-reduce ate, you stop na ha. Okay, that's your final answer. Next ate, how about this one? Sulat na.
And 12 and 11. 11.
Ha?
Ay,
13 minus 3 is 11.
okay. Minus 12, 12, 11, 10.
10 and 15. Can we reduce it? By what number?
5.
Very good.
5, 10.
Very good. Can we reduce it to thirds in there? Can we reduce 20? No. Very good. Okay. So for today, we have to discuss ate the multiplication ha. So for the multiplication ate, for example, this one ha, 2/5 times 3/5. It doesn't mean na parehas sila ate, automatically your answer in here is 5. It's wrong. Ha, this is multiplication na ate. This is not addition and subtraction anymore. So ibig sabihin, in order for you to solve for the multiplication ate, you go straight ahead. You multiply 2 times 3 and 5 times 5. Ate, okay ate? Sige daw, 2 times 3.
2, 4, 6.
How much? 6. 5 times 5.
5 times 2, 7.
So 6 all over 25. Can I reduce it in there? But sure? Yes, sure na ate. 6 and 25 can be reduced. This is our final answer. Sige daw, this one. 3/4 times 2 all over 5. Process daw ate. What is it kanina kapag multiplication? You go straight ahead lang ha. 4 times 5, 3 times 2. Go.
3, 6, 6.
Very good.
4, 12.
8.
Ay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
20.
Ay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
6 and 20. Can we reduce it in there?
6 or 20? No.
Sure?
Yeah.
By what number? Very good.
4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 9.
No, 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 no. 20 divided by 9. It's not 9.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. 10.
10. 3 and 10. Can we reduce it in there?
No.
Very good. Okay ha? Sige. I have a task in here for you ate. Sige daw. Do this one. I want you to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 ate. Sige. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3, 6, 5.
Wait, last yan siya.
Ay,
Exact
okay,
times.
okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Over.
Satisfied 10.
Ah, di ba same denominator?
Ay, okay.
Ay, nakalimutan. Bago kayo turo. Number 2. Sige, next. 5 over 6 plus 4 over 6. Okay, sige na.
5 times 3.
Ah, last ate, you are multiplying.
Ah!
Ah, you always forget ba? Look at the operation.
6, 6, 7, 8,
Hmm. Ay, ginag-curve niya pa ang 9 niya ah. Straight. Yan. Next. 9 and 6. Ano rin kasi hindi?
no.
Try to think. Again.
Yeah.
By what number? Very good.
3, 6, 9. Ay, 3. Is 3.
Hmm.
3, 6, 2.
Hmm. Next. Number 3. Can we reduce it in there?
Yeah.
By what number? Very good. You always check ate ha if it is reducible ate ha.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 is 7.
Okay. Sige. So, you understand na the addition ate? Okay. This one ha. This one. I will mark this one because this is special ate. I mean, ano ba?
What?
We have to use this one later. This one. This one naman, 1, 2, 3 again. This one, 1, 2, 3. Go. Ay, sige na. Number 1. Okay na, yun lang, isa lang na. Solve.
13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one. 50.
Very good. 1 over 15. Can we reduce it in there? Yeah, next. Number 2. Very good.
Five, four, three,
Next.
no, I cannot be ready.
Next, this one.
Oh my goodness.
You can do this one. You can do it. Ay, gina-curve niya naman ang line niya, oh. Straight lang. Nice. Okay, sige. Diba this one, big number siya ate, 95 minus 36, right? Did you already learn this one ate? 95 minus, what is it? 36.
Ah, I forgot that one.
You forgot this one? This one na oh, first thing that you have to ask ate, 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 ate, can we do that one? Hindi. We cannot ha, because 6 is greater than 5. So what will happen to 5? 5 will borrow to 9. It will become, no, si 9 will become 8. Si 5 will become 15. The one that you borrowed ate, di ba you borrowed 1? It will be put ate, ahead of 5. It will become 15. 15 minus 6. Sige daw ate, 15 minus 6.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
How much?
I think.
Huh? 9.
I 9.
15 minus 6, that's 9. Next, 8 minus 3. Is it possible? Hindi. It's possible because the number on top is bigger at the denominator or is at the bottom. 8 minus 3, how much?
7, 6, 5 is 5.
Okay, the answer is 59. Isa pa ha. Okay, ako yung magbibigay. This one. So, try ha. Same process. 6 minus 8, is it? Okay, it's not possible. It will become? Di ba you will borrow 1? It will become?
This one?
Si 7. 7 muna.
7 will become 6.
Very good. Okay, crush it out. Crush 7. Crush. Next, put 6. Si 6 magiging 16. Very good. 16 ha. This one. You have to edit talaga it ate. 16. You put a new number talaga ba? 16. 16 minus 8. Sige daw.
15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Mm. Okay, next.
Is 5.
Very good. Okay. Try natin yung
Can I eat?
pika. Look, basta. Diyan lang habang sa taas, para mabilis na maka... Okay, go.
They were saying, sweet,
Corridor. Yan. Yan. Corridor. Jasmine. Okay, ready na?